Okay, so you guys want to know how to turn your bedroom or stream room from this to this for only $126. Stick around. Okay, so here's what you need. Polyfoam, poster board for the size of your room, which I have 2 of them, LEDs, polyfill, and some more poster board in case you need it, a hot glue gun, and some staples and glue. I went ahead and took out all of the stuff from inside the room to make sure it was easier, and now what we're going to do is we're going to lay down on the floor what we're going to be putting on the ceiling here. You know what's worse than Christmas lights? LEDs. Don't untangle your LEDs after you start laying them down. Untangle them before, just for reference. Okay, now that you've laid down all of your LEDs on the map that you're putting on the ceiling, let's test them out to make sure that everything looks okay. Looks good. Okay, so now that we've tested the lightning effects and it looks like everything is good, now what we need to do is we need to mount that poster board to the ceiling. Fill in any gaps, fill in the white. My ceiling is white, so I'm not too concerned about some of the gaps, but you don't want to get any of the 3M tape on the ceiling. What it'll do is it'll take off the paint. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a staple gun, staple the poster board into the ceiling, and make sure that you do all 4 corners and the center, just to make sure that it's secure. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so here's the ceiling. I'm going to fill in some of those gaps. That's what you just watched. We're going to launch the wire from here to the power outlet right there. From here, and then I'll cover that up when we're there. After reviewing the video, I realized I forgot to mention, after you've laid the LEDs on the ceiling, take all of the polyfill out of the containers or the bags that you have and lay it on the floor. Don't break them into pieces because you want to make sure that you have big enough chunks to hot glue to the ceiling. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take hot glue, glue the chunks of polyfill, put them on the poster board that you stapled to the ceiling, and just work your way across the room. Remember, when you put the hot glue on there, hold it up there for a few seconds to make sure that it adheres to the cardstock. So we'll do a time lapse of doing a majority of the ceiling right now. So we finished the LED cloud ceiling for 126 bucks. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful, easy to understand, and quick. I didn't want you sitting through a 15-minute video to watch me put up lights in a time lapse for 6 hours. But if you liked it, like the video and subscribe. I'll be doing more content like this. Comment below. Let me know what you want to see next. Or share some of the pictures and videos that you guys are going to do using the same information. Swing by here. We'll be updating constantly with new content. or swing by my Twitch channel, twitch.tv/Calcidor. Look forward to seeing you guys in chat. Hope to see you guys soon. Peace.